Bullish Algorand cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 55 cents and $1.05 by 2030. Market investigators accept ALGO could reach 43 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 9 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its origin in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's cryptographic money framework. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021, despite the fact that it has consequently lost most of these increases. Examiners and sites that gauge costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? How about we look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost improvement? What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the mystery of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement method called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval panel are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood cache appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost in a split second fell a day after presentation. Algorand specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, in the long run hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamatch Worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a huge number of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, pronounced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital currency foundation. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unequaled post-send-off high of $2.38. Algorand is at present worth 12 cents USD. ALGO has moved 7.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $54,709,019. Algorand is at present positioned 45 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $913,016,551 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Algorand value expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 18 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 17 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 14 cents. Algorand value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ALGO will before long outperform 30 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the ALGO's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 24 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 27 cents. Algorand value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 43 cents and ALGO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 39 cents and a low of 37 cents in 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Algorand effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 55 cents, with a base cost of 49 cents and a typical cost of 51 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 64 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 61 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of 68 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 76 cents. On the off chance that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 80 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 74 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 86 cents and a yearly cost close above 92 cents in 2029. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 99 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.05, averaging out at $1.01. Algorand Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ALGO cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.21 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.16. And it ought to be noticed that the cost of the token has outperformed opposition levels on the overall strength file, giving further certain conversion for the momentary value projection of the ALGO coin. To take part in extra upturns, dealers ought to contemplate scaling into the computerized resource, as a critical retracement is both possible and unforeseeable. The token prior put in areas of strength for keeping up with above earlier standards and setting another record high. By and by, ALGO's unpredictability, which is regular of lower esteemed digital forms of money, was obviously apparent. Financial backers in Algorand will trust it can regard gauges and change its ongoing forward leap into a drawn-out bounce back subsequent to losing most of its earlier gain. What is the Algorand cost today? Today, Algorand is exchanging at 12 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $913,016,551. Is Algorand a wise speculation? Algorand ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this,